Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 9th. So let's go over the recaps and the trades today. Let me just pull up all of my stuff real quick. Just give me 1 second. By the way, today, the market was gapping up and whatnot, and I'm going to pull up the chart for that right now. Let me grab that real quick. Load chart. Okay, cool. So if we check that out, right, let's see. So if you go open up SPY, let's just close that real quick. So as you can see, SPY today, I mean, it was hitting all-time highs, right? So previous high was at like 358 area. It gapped up because of the news that came out from Pfizer, I'm thinking. Which was, let's see, news right here. I don't know if it's going to be here or not. But let's pull up a Pfizer. PF Pfizer Inc. Yeah. So Pfizer, announced news, COVID vaccine may be ready and whatnot, right? So this took off from yesterday at $36 all the way to $41, right? So my guess is this is why market was gapping up because of this. Overall, there still wasn't much action, at least, for me. So if we go back and if I show you all the stocks that I was watching today, where, let's see here, APVO, I hadn't watched, but I wasn't watching, like trading on it just because it's too expensive. Some stocks I like to keep on watch just to learn from the price action and how they move. So AMC I was watching. What else? ACB I wasn't really watching, but it popped up today. CCL I was watching, and there were a couple others, but not that important, right? Because it was very choppy day anyways, right? So today I only traded CAPR, and if I pull up CAPR, let's see. CAPR, it made this move in pre-market, so I thought this may rip up. And then I got in around, let's see, getting in around like 444, and then got out at like 437. I actually got a late entry, not because of my broker. I just didn't react fast enough, right? So I'll show you where that happened, right? So I got filled right here, right? That's where I reacted, right? But I was looking for I got filled actually right here, 445, right? But I was looking to get in around the 440 area, right here. Whoops, this area right here. But I got filled literally around this area right here, 445, which was the top, right? So had I gotten, or had I reacted fast, I could have got filled, right? So again, this is my fault, not the broker's fault, nothing like that. So yeah, obviously it ended up fading away. So that was that. And let's look at some other stocks. AMC I was watching, right? So AMC just kind of like went up, shot. I was watching this 4 area right now, but it took too long. And once it kind of broke this low, I kind of let it go, right? But I was watching it, and it obviously broke out. A nice move as well from 4 to like, 410. So I was watching that. SNDL I was watching, but didn't really do much. It gapped up, but then it failed. CCL I was watching. It kind of did a green to red move. And when that happens, it's very not bullish. So kind of left it alone. But I think it squeezed out some shorts here. So yeah, AMC obviously, it's right here, right on the, it's doing good. 408, 410, there's a decent seller, or 415, there's a big seller as well. So, but I'm not going to touch this now. It broke out. My entry would be literally at $4, right? And $4 is the psychological level as well. So, but once this broke, this low right here, 397, I just didn't watch. But it bounced off from that support at 393. So I think this is why, shorts got squeezed out, and now we should see a run up, move up, and hopefully it breaks the highs right here. So yeah. Other than that, I mean, that's it from me. Today was choppy. Nothing big. Nothing big. AHT as well moved today. So let's pull that up. AHT, right? So this stock made some moves. It's making higher highs right now. But, you know, again, I'm not going to touch it just because it's too extended. So, but hopefully tomorrow the market is not choppy and patterns do work out. And overall, this was it. And for the day, I'm actually down $87 down here. $87, which is not bad. It's less than 0.5% of my account. So always focus on, you know, making sure your losses are very small. Even if you have multiple red days, you can still, you know, come out to green as long as your green days are bigger than the red days. So, all right, that's it from me, guys. I will see you tomorrow.